Take a deep breath in and slowly let it out. Feel your body relax and your mind calm. Focus on this moment. Now, imagine a door before you. This door holds your untapped potential, waiting for you to unlock it. With each breath, align yourself with your true capabilities. Breathe in confidence and exhale self-doubt. Reach for the door handle. You are strong and ready to embrace what lies ahead. As you turn the handle, a wave of possibility flows through you. You open the door and step into a space filled with light, your potential. This light radiates warmth, creativity, and endless opportunities. Let it empower you from head to toe. Repeat after me. I am limitless. I am capable. I am ready. Take another deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel your connection to your purpose deepen. When you're ready, open your eyes. The door is open, and your journey has begun.